In front of me I've got REALME GT Neo 2, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and turn on the developer options. So let's scroll down to the very bottom, tap on About Phone, enter the version and keep tapping on the build number. Now let's enter the password, and here right now we can go back to the general settings and tap on additional settings. Here let's enter developer options, which we've just activated, and here all we have to do is to simply scroll down in order to find this option, automatic system updates. And if you'd like to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and from this moment this option is active, so it means that your device will be allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted, so they will be updated automatically. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to, just by tapping on the switcher. So actually this is it. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your REALME GT Neo 2. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.